And welcome into Bon Appetit. You know, summertime we think we want to eat healthy, perhaps a salad. But, you know, usually a salad's kind of like something you eat before the meal. Why not make salad the meal? Ed Gannon is here from Vintage Olive. Welcome back, Ed.
Yeah, well, thank you, sir.
And
good to be back.
You've got wonderful, you know, when you think of salad, you think vinegar and oil. Those are two staples that go on top of oil, that goes on top of salad. But you've actually been able to put them on the meats and vegetables and then incorporate them into the salad.
Exactly. One of the things that helps us trying to eat more salads, if I'm working around my farm and come in and want to get a salad, if I have to get the lettuce out, then chop up the onions, chop the tomatoes, I usually just grab a bag of chips. So when we cook on the grill or roast in the oven, we'll do big bags of like the grilled vegetables here, and then we'll put baggies of different fruits and stuff. So when I come in, I can get some lettuce, grab this, grab that, grab this, and I got a delicious salad.
It's ready to go.
2 or 3 different of our olive oil and vinegar combinations in the refrigerator for salad dressing. They're all healthy. So, and by the way, you know, Americans cover up their food with sauces for 2 reasons. Either they can't cook, so the sauce covers it up, or it's a cheap piece of meat and it covers it, you know. Well, you know, our vinegars and olive oils enhance the flavor of your food, but it won't cover up the flavor of your food. So it'll make you look like a really good cook.
That's good. It's a great way to do it. And of course, now last week we grilled a bunch of meats and some vegetables, and now we're going to incorporate these things into a salad.
And 2 of our favorites, this is ahi tuna, and then when we do grilled salmon, we love crumbling that up on our salads.
Oh, yeah.
And then also we sell some handmade pastas. People love pasta in their salad. And you know, if you want to take it up a level, put a little extra Parmesan cheese on the pasta when you incorporate it in your salad. But Brussels sprouts, zucchini, squash, any grilled vegetables are excellent in salads.
And they give it that extra, you're going to get the extra nourishment out of it, plus the fact the taste.
Yeah, like I said, you can make a meal out of a salad, and it's delicious. So these are grilled jalapenos, and the nice thing about the grilled jalapenos, you know, grilled jalapenos are chipotle, so they got that rich jalapeno flavor, but they're not real hot heat-wise. So you can add those to salads without, you know, having to fight the heat if you don't like it. Grilled chicken in salads is delicious. Some of our favorite salad dressings, the blood orange and cranberry pear, and that's what's on the shrimp. And that's delicious, just to let that marinate overnight.
So you marinate it, then you put that on the grill for just a short period of time.
These are actually just those little salad shrimp that you buy frozen. Just let them thaw, put some cranberry pear, blood orange, olive oil on them, and just let them marinate in a baggie. And then when you need some, just go in and sprinkle them on your salad. They're delicious.
Makes it nice. Of course, you have a variety then, of course. Onion, purple onion's great, isn't it?
Yeah, we like purple onions in salads, and because I like Vidalias, but either one. It's just. But we have a roasted onion and cilantro olive oil that's really good with the onions, and we have a blackberry ginger balsamic vinegar that's good with the blackberries, and another garlic and cayenne oil if you like a little spice. And then the garlic and butter is really good for like dipping shrimp. You mix garlic olive oil and butter olive oil, and
you get a little taste of butter, but there's no butter in it.
There's no butter in it. It's all healthy.
It's all healthy and good for you.
No saturated
and then of course, blackberries and blueberries are one of the great antioxidants out there.
That's right, and they're real easy to grab a handful.
Amen.
Drop in your salad.
Amen. Like you said, keep them all in the refrigerator where they're handy, they're easy to do, and then the big thing about it is prep time is very short to put together a salad. Now, can you cook some of your meats ahead of time and then just, again, refrigerate them, bring them back up?
Oh, yeah.
You had a hint about putting them in a deep fryer, not a deep fryer, the air fryer.
If you want to heat them back up, usually in a cold salad, we just, like the meats, we just chop them up cold and put them in our salad. But if you want to reheat them, air fryer is a great way to do it. Because the microwave is going to kind of wreck
And of course, you can put, like you say, the tuna on the salad. Of course, this is pork. Chicken, I mean, obviously, a lot of times when you're ordering a salad out at a restaurant, they want to know, do you want the chicken on the salad? Because it's a good protein to have on there, and it's everybody's perception. It's more healthy to eat.
And this chicken is marinated in a rosemary olive oil and peach balsamic vinegar, so when they ask if you want that chicken, it's yes.
Absolutely.
And one thing about our olive oils and vinegars, it's all on tap because we bottle it in the store. So if you come in and want to taste what your salad dressing is going to be like, we can mix you up a little in a cup where you can taste what the salad, you know, there's endless combinations. So it can be kind of overwhelming, but we can mix you up a little salad dressing in a cup and let you taste it, so when you get home, you know exactly what you got.
That's the way to do it. And again, it's the Vintage Olive. They're located in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center, which is in Montgomery. They're open from Tuesday through Saturdays from 10 in the morning till 6 in the evening.
That's correct.
And of course, you can go on in and just be amazed at the variety of olive oils that are there. And as Ed said, take a taste and see if you like it before you make that commitment.
And find us online. We've got all our stuff online, and Facebook and Instagram's got tons of recipes.
And that's exactly right. Recipes that you can use. You may say, oh, I'm a little bit intimidated about doing it. The recipes are easy to follow.
We call it backyard cooking. Anybody can do it.
Amen. Thanks a lot for being here.
Yeah,
and remember, bon appetit to you, and we'll be right back right after this.